Yeah, student. Today topic is hydrogen peroxide. Let us discuss some important points regarding hydrogen peroxide. First point, hydrogen peroxide was discovered by the French chemist L.J. Thénard. Second point, the difference between water and hydrogen peroxide is only one oxygen extra. Hence, hydrogen peroxide also called oxygenated water. Hydrogen peroxide also called what? Oxygenated water. Next point, hydrogen peroxide generally occurs in traces in air, rain, snow, some natural water and juices of certain plants also. Next point, very important, in any compound, OO bond is known as peroxy bond. OO bond is called what? Peroxy bond. H2O2 contain peroxy bond. See the structure of hydrogen peroxide. This is the structure of hydrogen peroxide. It has open book structure. Hydrogen peroxide structure is what? Open book structure. In hydrogen peroxide, this OO bond is called peroxy bond. Peroxy bond due to the involvement of pp orbitals of oxygen. So peroxy bond is formed due to the overlapping of pp. Here OH bond is hydroxy bond, hydrogen atom s orbital, oxygen p. So this is sp overlapping. Hydrogen peroxide contain one OO bond, two OH bond, OH bond due to sp overlapping, OO bond is called peroxy bond due to pp overlapping. Next point, commercially 30% of hydrogen peroxide called as perhydrol. Perhydrol name itself indicates 30% of H2O2 solution is known as perhydrol. Now, preparation of hydrogen peroxide in the laboratory. From sodium peroxide. Formula of sodium peroxide is Na2O2. Sodium peroxide react with cold water gives hydrogen peroxide. And similar way, sodium peroxide react with dilute sulfuric acid, that is 20% of sulfuric acid gives hydrogen peroxide, and sodium sulfate is formed. This can be separated by filtration process. Next, second preparation from barium peroxide. Barium peroxide formula is BaO2. So, barium peroxide react with dilute sulfuric acid. Barium peroxide react with dilute sulfuric acid at 0 degrees or ice cold temperature, forming what? Hydrogen peroxide. See the reaction. Barium peroxide solution BaO2 8H2O plus H2SO4 gives rise to BaSO4 plus H2O2 plus 8H2O. Whatever BaSO4 is formed, that can be separated by filtration process. Whereas this method has disadvantage because sulfuric acid, in the presence of sulfuric acid, hydrogen peroxide. So this is clearly mentioned the point. The use of sulfuric acid has a disadvantage because it encourages the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. In the presence of sulfuric acid, It catalyzes the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide means what? Due to the presence of sulfuric acid, hydrogen peroxide undergoes decomposition to water and oxygen. That is why instead of using dilute sulfuric acid, so in place of sulfuric acid, instead of using sulfuric acid, you can use weak acids like phosphoric acid, orthophosphoric acid is also called. This is carbonic acid or prepared. See the reaction. Barium peroxide react with phosphoric acid forming barium phosphate and hydrogen peroxide. This barium phosphate reacts with, okay, similarly barium phosphate react with sulfuric acid, again you will get phosphoric acid. This we can use again. Okay, this one understood. Barium peroxide react with phosphoric acid giving barium phosphate and hydrogen peroxide we are getting. Whatever precipitate of barium phosphate is formed, that can be utilized, that can be decomposed by reacting with sulfuric acid forming barium sulfate and phosphoric acid. This phosphoric acid again we can use. Now this is also one of the best method, Merckx process, MERKS, Merckx process. Hydrogen peroxide can be obtained by passing a current of CO2. Barium peroxide react with carbon dioxide solution or simply called as carbonic acid. CO2 plus H2O gives rise to carbonic acid forming barium carbonate. This can be separated by filtration and getting product is hydrogen peroxide. And simplest question, what we are preparing in Merckx process, hydrogen peroxide using material what? Barium peroxide and carbonated water. Check once the reaction properly. Now next preparation is auto-oxidation process. Auto-oxidation process. Hydrogen peroxide preparation method, one of the method is what? Auto-oxidation process. Here starting material hydrogen peroxide produced by auto-oxidation of what? 2-ethyl anthraquinol. 2-ethyl anthraquinol. This is the most recent method and this is a cyclic process. What does it mean? I will explain. It is a cyclic process. 2-ethyl anthraquinol is oxidized by air and forming 2-ethyl anthraquinone and hydrogen peroxide. See the reaction. This is 2-ethyl anthraquinol undergoes oxidation forming 2-ethyl anthraquinone and hydrogen peroxide. And this 2-ethyl anthraquinone again you can convert into 2-ethyl anthraquinol. This 2-ethyl anthraquinone reduced to 2-ethyl anthraquinol. So simply you can say it is a cyclic process. Reason for calling it is cyclic process, 2-ethyl anthraquinol undergoes oxidation gives 2-ethyl anthraquinone and hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. Now this again reduced in the presence of nickel gives 2-ethyl anthraquinol. This is the reason for calling cyclic process. 2-ethyl anthraquinol oxidation gives 2-ethyl anthraquinone and hydrogen peroxide, and 2-ethyl anthraquinone gives by undergoes reduction with hydrogen gives 2-ethyl anthraquinol. A to B, B to A. Suppose you take A, A to B, then B to A. It is a cyclic process. 2-ethyl anthraquinone oxidation gives 2-ethyl anthraquinone, and then it is converted to what? Again 2-ethyl anthraquinol. Okay na concept? Now here the net reaction, once we are adding hydrogen and oxygen to get hydrogen peroxide, and the starting compound in this process is what? 2-ethyl anthraquinone, that is converted to 2-ethyl anthraquinol and converted to hydrogen peroxide. Now the next method is very important method, electrolysis process. Listen carefully, this is important for IP 4 marks also. In this process, electrolyte is what? 50% ice cold sulfuric acid. In this process, using one is what? 50% ice cold sulfuric acid, and using electrode is platinum. See the reaction, 2H2SO4 gives rise to 2H plus HSO4 minus. This is hydrogen sulfate. Hydrogen sulfate at anode convert into peroxy disulfuric acid, also called Marshall's acid, H2S2O8. The structure is very important. H2S2O8 structure important. In that sulfur oxidation number is -6. This is the structure of peroxy disulfuric acid, also called Marshall's acid. This is the structure of H2S2O8. This is peroxy bond. It contains 8 oxygens. Out of 8 oxygens, 6 shows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 oxygen shows -2. And 2 oxygens shows -1. So now you can calculate oxidation number of sulfur in H2S2O8. Hydrogen +1, 2 into +1 plus 2x. Out of 8 oxygens, 6 shows -2 plus 2 shows -1 is equal to 0. 2 plus 2x minus 12 minus 2 minus 14 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 12, x is equal to plus 6. So in this, sulfur oxidation number is what? Plus 6. This is also very important bit. So we are getting hydrogen peroxide, and as this sulfuric acid also we are getting. If in place of 50% sulfuric acid, you can use another substance, that is ammonium hydrogen sulfate. Ammonium hydrogen sulfate, 2NH4HSO4 gives rise to NH4SO4 minus 2 plus 2H plus. At anode, 2NH4SO4 minus converts into ammonium peroxy disulfate, and this is react with water forming ammonium hydrogen sulfate and getting hydrogen peroxide. In both the reaction, at cathode releasing gas is hydrogen. This is the preparation method of hydrogen peroxide by electrolysis. See the points once again. In this process, electrolyte is 50% sulfuric acid. Using electrode is platinum. Okay na? Sulfuric acid. At anode we are getting peroxy disulfuric acid, H2S2O8. Peroxy disulfuric acid also called Marshall's acid. Peroxy disulfuric acid also called Marshall's acid. Just now we discussed structure. In that, sulfur oxidation number is +6. And then again peroxy disulfuric acid distilled, hydrolysis takes place, and contain 30% of H2O2 is obtained. 30% of H2O2 is called perhydrol. If sulfuric acid, in place of sulfuric acid, you can use ammonium hydrogen sulfate also. This one ionization gives NH4H, electrolysis gives ammonium peroxide disulfate at anode, ammonium peroxide disulfate at anode, and again react with water forming what? Hydrogen peroxide. In this process, at cathode releasing gas is what? Hydrogen. Okay, take care, bye.